everyone! If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I just moved into my first apartment by myself, so I kind of have no furniture yet. I really liked the last video that I did. I had a lot of fun doing that. The 3 easy thrift store fixes. If you want to see that, I'll link it here. But I'm going to do the same type of thing for this video, except with furniture and home decor items. So I've been going to thrift stores, obviously, and like garage sales and things like that, trying to find furniture, and you know, it can be kind of gross sometimes. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix up 3 things that I have found so far. So the first one I have, excuse my halfway stained coffee table, I am testing out stains, is this really old vintage tennis racket, and it was $3 at the thrift store. And I got this idea from one of my friend's moms. Her house is just like full of amazing DIY decorations. And what she did was thread embroidery floss through the little netting and made a design on it. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna switch it up. I have a lot of extra fabric laying around, like fabric scraps from old projects. So I thought, why not try to use some of those up? So that's what I'm gonna do. So as I was rummaging around trying to find those fabric scraps, I stumbled upon all of these amazing trims that I have that I totally forgot about, that I realized I can totally weave into the netting. So I'm definitely gonna use some of those. And I'm just gonna wing it. We'll see how it goes. Next up, I found this cutie at a church garage sale. I got it for $2, literally $2. I know it doesn't look like much now, but I was just really liking the wicker, and I'm really into that like beach surf house, like boho type of style. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go get glass from Lowe's or Home Depot or something, get it cut to flatten out this because it kind of does divot down right here. And then I'm going to, since it's missing one here, I'm just gonna redo all of these handle pulls and do something really cute. I'm thinking maybe some like wooden beads or something. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna go get some glass. Navigating hardware stores is the worst. I literally walked to the opposite side of the store and the glass is all the way down here. I love chandeliers so much. Perfect fit. So it has that little divot in it, which I don't know if you can see, but it does. And this glass just makes it look a little bit nicer and flattens out the top and gives it just a really nice look. So I've yet to do the handle pulls. On to that. I think I have everything I need for these new handle pulls. So I got some wooden beads at Joann's. I got 3 of these packs, $5 total score, because I only want to use one color and one size of them. And then I didn't want to buy new wire, and I saw this laying around and I was like, why not? I think it'll work really well because it's super sturdy and pliable as well. So we'll see. I think it'll work because I have some tools like this wire cutter that I'm going to use, and I'm going to be able to bend it with that as well. The old handle pulls are going to be super easy. I can just snip those off, and then I can thread the new ones with the wire right on in the crevices. I actually did the bottom one with this rope that I found laying around, and I just realized, duh, I can string rope through it and it would be so much easier than cutting this wire. And I wonder if it'll look the same, and it actually did turn out looking the same. So I think I'm gonna redo the other wire ones and just string rope through them. It was so much easier, and it's kind of a decorative rope. When you can see it through the beads, it looks a bit nicer than the white hanger wire. Before I call it finished though, I'm gonna add on these DIY tassels I'm gonna make with this decorative rope. All I'm doing is taking a few strands of the rope and gluing it inside of this darker bead here. And then I'm gonna glue that bead, the opening of the top, right onto the center of each of the handle pulls. And then I'm gonna be putting a little bit of the glue on each of the ends of the strings just so they don't fray later. So last up are these two lamps, which I got for $2 each, so $4 total. They're kind of this bronzy color, but they're a bit beat up in spots. So I think I'm gonna repaint them, maybe like white and gold. We'll see. And then clearly they need shades, so I'm gonna get some basic shades and see what I can do to DIY them. I just can't decide. And I have so many options. Oh, what do I do? Oh, look at that. Now look at these options. Got this on the bottom now, which I really like. I don't know what to do. And then there's this, which is so cool. I remembered I have these pins. So indecisive. I need your opinion.
Well, shoot.
Look.
Hula skirt.
What?
Hula skirt.
Okay, so I just need to clarify. I had no idea what Ian was saying. That's my boyfriend. And so I asked him later, and he told me he was saying hula skirt.
Hula skirt.
So helpful. Okay, I don't know what to do. I'm gonna fire up the hot glue gun while I decide. Firing it up! Fire!
Left your mark in a distant past, but somehow it's all gone now. Good things can never last.
So there you have it. Those are my 3 easy thrift store fixes, but for home decor and furniture items. I really enjoyed doing this. Like I said, this is my first kind of apartment on my own, and so doing these home decor items and being able to like decorate my own space is super exciting. So I hope that this might have helped you with that as well. If you're not following me on Instagram, check me out there. I post a lot of random stuff that I make and a lot of my thrifted closet on there that I don't film for YouTube. Check me out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe consider subscribing, and I hope to see you next time.